Hey guys, what's up? My name is Velma I and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are on February Heart Week day number 4. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 35 different ways to treat your boyfriend, your husband on Valentine's Day. So here are 35 gift ideas that you can surprise your boyfriend, your man, your bae, whatever, your crush. So the prices are going to range from really low, like almost free, or really expensive. If you've been with your boyfriend for a few weeks, you wouldn't want to go all crazy, but if you're with your husband or your bae or your boyfriend for so many years, then and he deserves a really nice gift, then so yeah, hopefully you'll find one of these on the list that will be good for you. Alright. Okay, so you don't have to spend a lot of money to get a gift for your loved one. Like I said, you can be very crafty. If you're a crafty person, you'll easily make one of these up. Go to Pinterest, they have 1,000 tons of ideas there if you don't find one from my list. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get right on into the list. So I broke this down into categories. I'm kind of just did it for fun. Like, you don't really have to take the category part, you know, seriously, but if you want to use it, then here you go. The first category is for if your boyfriend's a couch potato, because we have boyfriends and baes and crushes that like to be couch potatoes, so here are a few ideas for him. The first one would be find out what his favorite team is and buy him a jersey. So jerseys are also kind of expensive, so this may be for a husband or a boyfriend of many years. So I'm pretty sure by now you would know what his favorite team is. If you don't, ask. Next one would be a video game, because if your boyfriend's a couch potato, he's more than likely to be playing video games. He can play all the games he wants, just don't let him play with your heart, okay? Okay, next one would be to get him some kind of a subscription service, which, I don't know, like maybe his favorite magazine, Spotify, there's so many different services, Netflix, I don't know. There's tons and tons. So figure out what your boyfriend, your bae likes and get him something nice. Next one would be a bouquet of liquor bottles. Like, you can go buy those little tiny mini bottles and you can make a bouquet and just, I don't know, make it look like roses, but instead of roses, he likes liquor, so there you go. Be like, here babe, drink. Next would be a night at a hotel, because if your boyfriend's a couch potato, he more than likely doesn't like to get out as much. So you can just be like, hey, we're getting off the couch, we're gonna go spend a whole day away from home, and yeah, so I think a night away, a night out is good for everybody, honestly. This would be tickets to the museum, to some sort of museum. I'm pretty sure he likes to watch TV, he's into stuff, you know, so a museum would be pretty cool. I would like to go. Next one would be a homemade meal, like cook him something yummy for dinner, make him a little date. That would probably mean the world to him. Also, another one is cook him breakfast in bed. If you guys live together, you know, or he happens to stay over or whatever, wake up, cook him those cute little heart-shaped pancakes, you know, make it all cute, put some whipped cream, some strawberries, and bam, you got yourself a very easy, affordable Valentine's Day gift. Next, if your guy's a metrosexual, like he's all into taking care of himself and he's very, you know, put together, maybe one of these ideas would be great for him. So you can buy him a watch. A watch is very universal, almost, you know, 9 times out of 10. If you have no idea what to get him, just get him a watch. He would love it, you know. You probably know whether he likes black, silver, golds, or like a lifesaver. You can't go wrong. Next one would be get him cologne. Get him something to smell good. He probably already loves to smell good, so add to his collection. Next one would be chocolate, like chocolate truffles. Get him a box of chocolates. Like, what guy, I don't think a lot of guys are used to getting chocolates, I don't know, but I think that would be a really good gift idea. get him a men's grooming set because, like I said, he likes to take care of himself. He likes to keep his beard all nice and trimmed and shaved and his hair all nice and right, so get him a grooming set. Next would be a candle. Some guys like candles. I know a lot of people that do like candles, so get him a nice smelling candle. There's some really pretty like men scented candles. He would appreciate that. Okay, next is a wallet. Again, a wallet's kind of like a watch. You can't go wrong. You know, by now you would see what wallet he carries around, and it probably looks raggedy and old because guys like to hold on to wallets for dear life, like until they're ripped apart. Even if they're ripped apart, yeah, just get him a new wallet. Next would be tickets to a movie. Like, take him out. If he always takes you out, like, why not just return the favor? Go, I think it'd be really cute to just like surprise him with tickets to a movie that he's been talking about, that he's been wanting to see. Yeah, it's really cheap and affordable as well. Next, you could take him wine testing because maybe he's into that. Like, I think a lot of couples nowadays do that, wine testing. It's a big thing. It's out there. It's very romantical. It's something I think you and your husband would like more than a boyfriend, but you never know. Alright, and for the last one of this category, it would be hair products because, like I said, he takes care of himself. He likes a good, nice hair products. Matrix, like something expensive, something bougie, you know, something cool. So moving on to the next category, it's kind of short, but it is for if your boyfriend or if your bae is a workaholic. These are a few ideas for him. So you could get him a laptop case. More than likely he has a laptop because he works a lot or goes to school, and you know, this would come in handy for him and he would enjoy it. Next, a book. Maybe your boyfriend's a nerd. It's okay, it's all good. But yeah, get him a nice book, like something really cool and interesting to read. A nice book would be a good idea. Maybe get him a man purse. It kind of depends. This would also fit into the metrosexual category, but you know, he could maybe not even know. Yeah, maybe he doesn't know what a man purse is yet, and maybe he just has never tried it, but introduce him, maybe he'll find it very useful. So the last one, this kind of would be for both of you. If you guys, maybe you can take a nice picture, or maybe you already have like a favorite picture of both of you, and you can frame it into a nice cute little frame, and then that way he can put it on his desk, or he can put it up when he's studying. Like, that would just be super cute. Alright, moving on to the next category. This one is for if your guy's a gym guy, like a gym, what do you call them? I don't know, a gym guy. So if he's a gym guy, then you can get him a pair of running shoes. It is a little more expensive, but like if you've been with bae for a very long time and he deserves it, I think it would be a really good idea. Also, you could get him workout clothes. You cannot fail. You cannot fail with workout clothes. You could get him tickets to a sports game, like one of his favorite sports games. Both of y'all would be benefiting from this. Y'all would go together and it would just be an awesome date. Right, next you could take him on a hike. Not like, don't tell him to take a hike, but take him with you and y'all could go on a cute little romantical hike. Next, you could buy him a gym membership or maybe pay for one of his months for his membership, depending. Again, this also like depends whether y'all live together or something like that. If you've been together longer, you can buy him the membership, and if not, like I said, you can pay for a month's membership. That would, I'm pretty sure he would really appreciate that. Okay, next, since he's always in the gym and he listens to music, you could buy him Bluetooth headset, like a headphones, ear plugs, I don't know what. But yeah, I'm pretty sure he'd appreciate that because nowadays like your cord gets tangled everywhere and it's annoying, and now they have like, or they've always had, but you know what I mean, some nice beats, like I don't know, something. Okay, and then the last one would be a bouquet of protein bars. Like, I'm serious guys, go to Pinterest, you can make a bouquet out of anything that he likes. So protein bars, it just makes sense. Put some little flowers in there, tie a ribbon around it, put a cute little love note, and bam, there you go. Okay, if your boyfriend's not on a diet and he's not a gym guy, I think these next ones would be good for him. You could get him a food gift card. Like, what guy would not want a food gift card? You know, like your boyfriend, anybody would appreciate that. Next, you could order him a pizza from Pizza Hut, but I know they have them. So I think if you order in time, you can get yourself a heart-shaped pizza. That would be super cute for your boyfriend. And then the next one would be to take him out on a picnic. Like you guys just grab some cute lunch, some food, a blanket, do the whole 9 yards, and go to the park and have a picnic. The next one's very affordable. Go around your house, get whatever you need, get your glue, get your scissors, and make him a gift card. Not a gift card. Make him a Valentine's Day card, old school style, like cut it out, write a nice love letter, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Next one would be super romantical. Build a fort, put in a TV somehow, like make the fort around your TV, put little lights, have some food. Oh my god, that'd be so cute. If I had a boyfriend, like that would be his gift. That would be his Valentine's gift this year. But I'm gonna make my own fort and I'm gonna sit there and just eat my chips, okay? And be happy. And then the last one would be to bake him something. Like it's super affordable. You can bake him some cookies if you want to go all out and make a cake, or some cupcakes. Bake him something. The way to your man's heart is through his stomach, so bake him something and I'm pretty sure he would appreciate almost anything you make. But that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed and I hope you found these ideas a little bit helpful. I just thought it'd be really fun to just help you and share with you some ideas for Valentine's Day. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this really quick video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you have not for more videos from me. I do upload videos every single Wednesday and every Sunday, and then sometimes on Fridays I'll throw in a vlog. So almost 3 videos a week, sometimes, not always. This week yes, but next week maybe no. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!